Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge with this Swapnil, and today I will show you two things. First is how to make title column as a non-mandatory field. Currently it's mandatory. And second thing is, if you want to remove title column from your Sharepoint list form, then how you can remove it. So let's see. Before that, here is my simple list I have created, which contain title, pet name and age columns. You can add multiple columns according to your requirement. So this is kind of a POC, if you can consider. So let's say, let's start with the first point, how to make title as a non-mandatory column. So if you are new to Sharepoint list, then I will guide you properly. So don't worry. So you need to click on this setting gear icon. Inside that there is a option called list setting. So you need to click on that. From this list setting, those who are new to the Sharepoint list, from the setting section you can do multiple things with respect to your Sharepoint. You can do multiple things related to your Sharepoint list. You can add columns, you can remove column, you can delete column and all these things. So yeah, if you want to check my previous videos related to that, then yeah, you can visit my playlist and you would get the idea about that. Okay, so from here, if you check this section columns, then there is a multiple columns up here. There will be, if you check this column section, then there is a title column, and it is currently saying that it is as a mandatory or required. So what you have to do is you need to click on this title. Okay, and from title, make this as a required, this column containing information as a no. So it will remove as a mandatory. Okay, and you need to click on OK. So once you hit on that, and let's say if we click on new form, now title is not a mandatory. But for the ideal practice or best practice, there should be at least one column to be mandatory, because what happened, let's say I just open it, okay, and I just click on save. Okay, so the blank entry will be entered. So maybe there is a possibility, if you are using for any particular purpose and if your end user is not aware of that Sharepoint list, then maybe they will add multiple blank records in your Sharepoint list. So to restrict that, there should be at least one column need to be mandatory. So for that, let's make pet name as a mandatory one. So I'm adding pet name. So from here you need to just click on yes. So required this column containing information, yes, and you need to click on OK. Now let's see, if I hit on new, okay, now pet name is a mandatory one. Okay, so it won't allow you to save the entry until you add some values in that. Okay, so let's say as a T4 pet name, let's say ABCD, age 5 years, and hit on save. So now entry will be submitted. Okay, so here is the first section. Now second, if you want to remove the title column from your Sharepoint list form, so what you can do? So again you need to click on this setting gear icon and go to your Sharepoint list setting. Okay, from here there is no such section available to remove to hide the column. Okay, so for that you need to open advanced setting. So from here you need to click on that, and you need to click on yes. What is this? This is kind of a content type. Consider as a simple form structure. Let's say if you have 2 or 3 type of forms, then all this form can be stored in a content types. So currently there is only one type of form available in your Sharepoint list. I just click on yes and let's see. So and that form type will appear here. So item is the form type, and inside that there are 3 columns available. Okay, so what you have to do is you need to click on title and make this as a hidden. Okay, so what will happen is if we go to the setting, if we go to the list, if we open the new form, then the title column will not be there, or it is hidden. So now only two columns will appear. So this is how you can make title as a hidden field. I will show you one more time. You need to click on this list setting. Under list setting, you need to go to advanced setting. If content type is not visible, then you under the advanced setting you need to make the allow content type as is, and after that the item section will appear, and inside that you need to click on you need to hit on that, and inside that you need to make title as a hidden field. So once you do that, just click on OK and your title column will appear. Sorry, it will be hidden or disappear. So this is how you can make the adjustment in your SharePoint list form. Thank you.